Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign a PDF document on your MacBook, and it's pretty simple to do. First of all, you're going to open up your PDF and maybe there's a place where you want to sign. So this is just as an example, and to do this you will see this toolbar at the top, and here you can either click show form filling toolbar or show markup toolbar. So let's click on markup, and right here you can see the signatures. So you want to create your signature, so you can either use your trackpad, camera, or iPhone. Let's use my iPhone, for example, and let's sign something. And now you're gonna click done. And now when you click on this signature, you can put it anywhere you like. And after this, you're just gonna click this button and it will automatically be saved as your signature. So yeah, guys, that's how you sign a document, a PDF document on your MacBook. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.